So children, now we are going to study in details the life cycle of a butterfly and honeybee. More or less the life cycle of butterfly and honeybee are the same. Butterfly has 4 stages of their life. So their life cycle consists of 4 stages. Egg. From egg the larva or the caterpillar comes out. From the caterpillar, the pupa develops, and from the pupa, the adult develops. Its life cycle. So, 4 main stages of their life of a butterfly and honeybee: egg, larva or caterpillar, pupa, and adult. The life cycle of the honeybee is similar to that of the butterfly with these 4 stages. Now in details, to study with the details, we have to also learn and study the diagram properly. First stage, here we see the adult butterfly which is laying the eggs. An adult butterfly lays eggs. So adult butterfly is laying the eggs on the leaves, which are the white specks we see on the leaves. An egg that hatches into a worm like larva or caterpillar. The caterpillar eats leaves and shades its skin many times. So from the egg, every egg will hatch. As we know, the eggs which the hens lay also, they hatch to give the babies. But here the eggs hatch to give you the larva or the caterpillar. We see the caterpillar moving about here and there, and they got the spikes on their body. They are very dangerous also. These caterpillars hatch from the eggs and come out, and what they do, their main function is to eat as much leaves as they can, and it sheds its skin many times. So from the eggs we get on to the caterpillar, and from the caterpillar we go on to the larva, the pupa. The caterpillar forms a shell around itself and becomes a pupa. Its body changes completely inside. So caterpillar, after eating and then it starts sleeping, it takes rest. While taking rest, it makes a cover. See, look at the figure over here. It makes a cover amongst itself, and inside that it goes off to sleep. This stage is called the pupa. This stage is called the pupa, and it rests there completely, changes there completely. After some time, after a few days, the pupa breaks open. The shell or the nest of the pupa breaks open, and from there the adult butterfly come out. The adult butterfly come out from the pupa. So these are the 4 stages. Butterfly, it's laying eggs. The eggs hatch to give you the caterpillar or the worm or the larva. The caterpillar then changes to pupa, which is body is covered, and from there it becomes, the pupa changes to a butterfly altogether. So this is the 4 main cycle of the butterfly, and honeybee is also the similar, whereas the cockroaches, as we have studied, they have not 4 stages, they have only 3 stages. The young one comes out from the egg, which looks like the adult but does not have wings. It shades and grows to become an adult. So this is how the life cycle is being. The diagram is also very important. You have to learn that also.